It's cold.
It's starting to get cold, yeah.
And he always, every time I almost like get like loose, he always does it so fast. Like, just doesn't. And then the one right there, I don't like him. It's just weird.
Locked hands. Preston's actually better than this kid, but he's going to end up getting disqualified if he doesn't be careful. Spyro, go.
I wish I was as strong as him.
I know.
He needs more technique though.
Run it! Run it around the head. You're going under both arms. You can't do that.
But it's fine if you go over the arm and under, right?
One on one and a half. 1 on 1 and a half. 1 on 1. Swim the body next time. Funny.
Pull him back in.
Half.
Oh my God! Get your back.
Short time.
Tight waist. Grab it 1 on 1. 1 on 1. Get the far wrist. Get his wrist. What do you?
Stretch it out.
What are you trying to do there? You are. Okay. I haven't seen you or anything. Stand up. Hips away.
Switch it.
I'd like to see you do it.
Keep coming around, Preston. Pull yourself. Get long. Come around.
I like that one.
Good, 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 good. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Pull it in. Crack down. Crack down. You switch now. Go under the leg. Under the leg. Keep going. Go hard. Push hard.
Let go of the leg. There it is. Get on. Let go of the leg. Let go of the leg.
Let go of the leg!
Where's his back? Where's his back?